The sitting president, we all know what dollar because he's special. Nothing happened. I'm talking about the current sitting president. It's not only Newcastle, Mtana Sekhaya. Awukho umasipala ongabolile. Ko masipala uhloliphumile ngisho kaPapaso ukhishiwe. Umngeni is there. Omasipala baphelelwe imali. Awukho umasipala ongekho. And sizoba ne-interview no former mayor waseMpendle. We want azogeqa magula. The third parties, the ones that can pay, regardless of a political organization okuyona, ungaba ku-EFF, ungaba ku-ANC, ungaba kuyini, usuke serve master ephethe imali. Unfortunately, shame on you, South Africa. The youth of 76 laid down their lives for this. Sibuswa amasela, singabiza ngabahlonishwa, sibabize ngobaba, amasela nezinto. There is nothing honorable about them. Trust me. If today we are to be honest as a nation, maybe there is one honorable or there is none. The sitting president, we all know what dollar because he's special. Nothing happened. I'm talking about the current sitting president. Unfortunately, his deputy, may his soul rest in peace, the former deputy, but the current deputy, we are Tintega grant that could have benefited many South African kids. 70 million was concentrated on his family. 70 million, that's how selfish these people are. Leo Mali just went to housing. As a defender, this is how low we can come, and that's how stupid we are. Former president Ngamalala is also the same. We are Tintega naye. Sisuke kuloyo Thabo Mbeki unkosikazi wakhe usema company nangazi Gem Medical Aid nani, she's a millionaire. Uyathinteka naye and akekho ofuna ukusala ngaphandle, black and white. So I'm saying to you, besinethemba ukuthi if kushintsha ubuholi ngoba khona ushintsho, kuyashintsha lezinto, kuyafana kungena okunye kuba worse. But I'm praying ukuthi one day ngelinye ilanga sothi masushiya lo mhlaba khona okuyokwenzeka. Ingane zakithi, I'm saying shame on you. Ningena 7 days a week, nifunda kanzima, nifundela ukuhlala emakhaya. Nithola ama results amahle, nisebenze kanzima, and thank you to those teachers who work very hard. It's very sad. We hear every day ukuthi ikhundla mawufuna uba uprincipal 100,000. We hear that from amasekhethe angafani. You want to be a principal, you must pay 100,000 to igenge le yamanyunyana, yama-union, amasela, lawa noboya emhlanu, ekuyiwona aphethe lezinto. That's a sad part. And I am saying to you, they can kill us up until it is enough. They won't finish us. They will never be able to finish us. Amasulmane ayati holy war. This is jihad. Holy war, egamen lokuthi. We are fighting for what is rightfully ours. This country is ours. It does not belong to the politicians. And they always can stand up and say, Siteg bona, Tina, we want water, electricity, and job opportunities. And they must stop stealing. They must stop stealing, bantu bakithi. Bengithi asidluleni lapho, sikhulunyiswa ile sasakhiwo. Mina ngiyothi mangithi ngitshele umasipala owaziyo ongathinteki enkohlakalweni. Shiya ukuthi khona umkhonzile nomthandayo nozomdefender, ziyafana lezi zinto. If asifani bawu5 noma bawu10 abaclean. iSouth Africa yonke amasela lezi zinto. Uyakubona ngisho kuhamba ukuthi ujuluke ngisho umtsentsela uxakwe ubusela usuze wamila uboya, kumila uboya nasemakhaleni amasela. So kuyinto ngeke uzuyicha. Sengathi ingulube yehlathi intibani. Unuka ubusela buphuma ngeziqu zoboya, ubusela. Baba Umyeza, councillor Semsinga, one of the councillors that is loved by his people. Siyabonga ukuthi you are doing something right. Nalia councillor umeya Khumalo ogcine ngakwazanga ungena clean governance walapha ya kumasipala umasipala wase Hlabisa igama lakhe asazi kwakhiwe ibhilidi elidala ngazomsangalifaka yini Miyeza ibhilidi elidala obonayo ukuthi ibhilidi elidala lika 70,000 to 1.1 million. Why do politicians do this? Niyenzela lento baba Miyeza. Nali ibhilidi mhlambe angazi ngenza njani le ndoda. Siyalibona ibhilidi lika 1.1 million.
Nomafu
qeda ngena bafana mama
Nomafu la ingasekhala engisuka khona angubeke lokho angiqale laphana ukwahlabisa la uphuma khona umongameli umhlonishwa uVF Hlabisa okubaba uvele enkosini Hlabisa andike lokhu nguthathe from imedia ngicabanga ukuthi kuyavela lapha uma kukhona umuntu ongakuzuma ngibone kupostwe ku media kade kupostwe imisebenzi yeqembu likamntwana kaphinda angena ukuthi selenze yona miphi imisebenzi mangizwa ke kwabahlala eKZN ngasekhaya kunama ground even angazi o 2 bani noma 4 bani million kade bengisendela kwasho ukuthi akusiyona interest enginayo yalawo ma ground la ukuthi kwenzakalani ngikhe emthethweni angisilona iphoyisa ngibese ngiba ne interest nje ngalokho kade kufakwe ku Facebook lapha ngubona ukuthi ku public
yazi ukuthi challenge akona Miyeza bantu bakithi ngizoni-challenge nonke ngoba ngifuna ukuba ngathi clean governance is after iqembu elilodwa lenkatha asambe nje umuntu nomuntu alethe ihlazo lamasipala wangakubo sasa asiqale si-update abantu ngendaba kaGeneral Nhlanhla Mkhwanasi. We are waiting on president to pronounce ukuthi nazi indaba seyifikile kuyena nabo ubufakazi bavela every day namhlanje ubaba ucommissioner wamaphoyisa kazwelonke uMasimula uthe akuyena wathuma uKhumalo ukuthi akahlakazele lwaphiko futhi uKhumalo kuzofanele atshele isizwe amenthi uSibiya ukuthi akuyena wathuma uSibiya ukuthi akahlakazele lwaphiko ubaba uSibiya kufanele asithethe wethunywe ubani. But while we are waiting for that, we would like to re-emphasize this. We are not a violent nation, but we don't want to be provoked. This country is only what we have. And I always believe, Amazwa sure in the late Steve Matubiko when he said, it is better to die for an idea that will live than to live for an idea that will die. So, sizolinda, but ngizocela ukuthi sonke ungakhethi umasipala ukuthi imuphi uyobheka amahlazo kamasipala wangakini ngoba I bet you angifuni kuba ngathi safthi inkatha kodwa babheda bonke sikhuluma sizoqala ngomasipala wokuqala soqala ngeTheku kusasa sithathe iTheku sithole nabantu baseThekwini basikhombise okuyikona okungenzeki kufanele kuyenzeka ama project akhokhelwa uza nesamba semali usho khona sizothi masimjaha umeya wakhona simjahe ngento ekhona masisuka siya kumasipala masisuka eThekwini siya eMsunduze masisuka eMsunduze siya eNewcastle masisuka eNewcastle umasipala wesi4 ilapha ya eMhlathuza siya kumasipala waseMhlathuza. Those 4 municipalities. Guys, this is our country. Ngifuna ukunitshela nina enincethezayo. Esengikhuluma ngani enincethezayo enisuka la asinandaba nalomuntu wakho ophethe. Sikhulu sakho siyezwa kuthiwa abanye banama security baneyinkabi. We don't care about that. Kuhle ngoba bayibonile enye inkabi legwetshwe inqwaba yo life. Siningi ezinye ezisejele ezinenkinga yokuthi osopolitiki mase bekwenza dirty work bakushiya kanjalo. Baphinde futhi kuthiwa bakuthume balanda imali bazi ukuthi usuyazi bakubulala. Then we will go to Johannesburg. We'll go to Governing Mbeki. Awukho umasipala esizowuyeka. Eastern Cape it's worse. Kunendawo lapha eKSD 127 akuhambeki noma kushoniwe umgaqa wukho. They don't do regraveling kodwa imali iyasetshenziswa ye regraveling. We will also come to umvoti but tomorrow we would like to focus on 4 municipalities. We come with projects. See, we name them and shame them and we deal with them. Lamasela anogovana. Babu Miyeza siyabonga ngale Sesakhiwe. So we deal with this municipality as well.
Noma
Mhlawumbe ngawo manje noma sasa.
Nomafu angikho la angiconcentrate la. Kodwa konke ngifisa ukuyidlulisa into oyishilo. Kubhlungu on our brothers nabantu of which are our fellows esiphila nabo la eMzansi ama South Africans. Awukwazi ukuthanda usopolitiki ngaphezulu kwezwe lakho. That is the huge mistake you can do. Awukwazi ukuthi ungathanda usopolitiki ngaphezulu kwe-development yakho noma ngaphezulu komphakathi ohlele kuwona. Uthanda an individual ezo-exista for 5 years. Kunento engifuna uyikhumbuza abantu. Uyabona umhlonishwa ukakubuke uma ekusendela u-1.5 noma u-2,000 rand we-e-wallet kapetrol ongayicela. Akubuke usugiya usumposta ko-WhatsApp nako-Facebook usumdefenda. Akubuke iy'mpatha. Uyibuza umbuzo kodwa ukuthi wena yena umhlonishwa ingane yakhe ingaphila ngalo 2,000 rand akusendele wona. Into nje uqala ufuna ukuqala uyibuze wona ngoba umthwele wena uphila uwazi ukuthi umhlonishwa uyinto yokuqala. Yabona umhlonishwa ngisho ngakunika isikhundla kube wona odistribute izinkwa nokuthi abantu bengawugebhuli kakhulu upholoni mangabe kuthiwa kuyakhankaswa noma kwenziwa emphakathini. Usukwazi ukuthi udom vele especially mabekwazi imbovu ukuthi usubscribeile kwi-organization wathi mina ngiyoze ngife ngukhongolo ngiyoze ngife ngey'nkathi ngiyoze ngife ngiyini ngiyi-Democratic Alliance. Abasanendaba nawe wena ufana negrandpa into abayikhumbula mhlawumbe ephethwe yikhanda kuyoma election uyisikorobo kuphela makuchitheka amanzi bazokukhumbulayo ngoba naku sekumele ukuthi kuyovota. Awukwazi kwenza into leyo kanjalo. Abahlonishwa bane-tendency eyodwa mbomvu bonke futhi bane-tendency yokuthi bona bazi ukuthi imali yaziwo ibona ukuthi isetshenziswa kanjani futhi iyaphi. Banaleyo nto leyo and mangabe kunezimali eziphumile abasuke kumele ukuthi bazidle bazi ukuthi izimali ziya kuma-girlfriend zabo. Mina mbovu ngiyahlala nabahlonishwa sengeke ngabona inqwaba abahlonishwa umuntu avela agifte intombazana angazi ukuthi uyayazi avela igifte ngo-100,000 makade kuphuma imali zamasipala. Ingane kade ikhala ngemali ikhala simply amount ka-1.5 yokuthenga iy'ndwele. Umhlonishwa avela avumbule u-100,000. Inqwaba yo-MEC nabahlonishwa ngakukhowuthela kuney'ngane namhlanje nama-companies ezazi ukubhida njengoba iningi labafuthi abakwazi ukubhida ukuthi yini la nama-company ezinye ziyasebenza zenza inqwabe kwahlukahlukana kwemisebenzi noma sebahlukana nabahlonishwa. Kodwa wena umhlonishwa kade umphusha avotelwa noma enzani ngeke akunike leyo nto leyo. So sengisholo ukuthi abantu bakithi abayeke ukuba loyal kubantu abangekho loyal kubona. Le ndaba ukuthi sibe loyal kubahlonishwa sisaba ukuthi bazosibulala bazosenzani nani vele ayekho umuntu ophile ngenkani la emhlabeni futhi sonke sinendlela lethu siyohamba ngayo ngandlela thizeni ukuthi kanjani ayekho waziyo. So asiphilileke ngenkani but izinto if it include public funds we must expose them. Bayafunga bengena lapha ukuthi bayawuseva umphakathi lapha out of office benze yonke into ongayicabanga. Abantu bakithi abayeke kuba loyal kubantu abarong abangekho loyal kubona. Ungawuthanda umhlonishwa ngaphezulu komphakathi lo osuku wakhela noma lo osuku kuwona. Singabantu sonke siney'mpilo sidinga ama-developments and isikole in nowadays sichonyelwa abantu abangosomathenda kunamhlanje bomvu. Sifundile saya konke ngokuhlukahlukana ama-institutions but osomathenda bayasichomela basitshela ukuthi bona bafundile kodwa banayona yonke into abayidingayo emhlabeni. Isikole it's something that look like it is useless thing ever. Kodwa futhi sibe sazi ukuthi sibalulekile ngoba iy'ngane zabo bayikhokhela ama-school fees almost 500,000 annually ngonyaka. Bayazi sibalulekile kodwa mabefika la kwi-media bathi mina ngibaqashile ngani ngibaqashile osaveya ngibaqashile osibani ukuthi ngibahola 30-something thousand ngenyanga. Kuze kudlale kwenziwe ngisho umzekeliso. Yabona khona abantu abane-profession eyeke kakhulu othisha. Othisha mina ngiyabahlonipha othisha kulesizwe lezi ngoba nami ngilento engiyiyona nami mbovu lento eyiyona namhlanje it is because of a teacher, it is because of your principal. Akekho umuntu ngisho president uyilento akayiyona namhlanje because of uthisha. Angeke kube yilento lo yona uthisha usebenza umsebenzi wokugroma kukhulise ngaphezulu kwamzali wakho ahlale nawe isikhathi esingaphezulu kwamzali wakho unyaka wonke kuze kophela unyaka. But ngesimo se-corruption yesizwe esikuyona it looks like as if education is useless and unfortunately ukuthi no government nesystem yethu esiphila ngaphansi kwayo esiyisevayo esisevayo nayo still injalo iyasigcila phansi. Akwazi ukuthi you can be a doctor but uhlelo umuntu wagcina grade 10 owenza u-CIPC wenza uCOIDA wenza u-UIF wenza i-business planning mhlawumbe wabanemali wakwazi ukuthi abe linked nabantu abathile useyakuhlula ngempilo ngesimo sokuthi uyakwazi ukuthi monthly a-invoice asale nemali engaphezulu kwa-600,000 It is wasteless mbovu leyo nto leyo isystem government wethu esinayo nandlela thizeni but ke sila egebengwini abantu bakithi abangabhayiziseki ungakwazi ukupraise umhlonishwa ungapraise umuntu wakomunye umuzi wena angakasaza kuthandaza ngaphezulu kwezwe lakho uthanda umhlonishwa ngaphezulu kokuyithanda wena ungayezi leyo nto leyo ngoba unezingane maye kuphu 10,000 rand um 5,000 yena ingane yakhe ngeke iphile ngaleyo mali leyo wena ngoba uyisiphukuphuku uzompost uhamba umthwala yona yonke indawo le abantu bakithi abakhule bahlonisha ngathi bengehlisa nasebugebengweni siyazi ukuthi kunzima kunje kulesikhathi lesikusona umoya uyashisa we stand on the side of baba uNdonga inkwali yenkosi kulesikhathi lesomzima esikhona nabona bonke labakhona ngize ngisole mbovu kokugcina sengivala ukuthi igazi lo Oliver Tambo lo Steve Mbiko lo Khrizani lo John Langabalele Dube wonke ama revolutionalist ama heroes esaba nawo ayiliyakhuluma mbomvu lapha elikhona alithule liyakhuluma bonke babhixana bonke abenzi bokubi kulelizwe leli bonke baneyinkinga kwahlukahlukana kona wonke amaqembu khona ke wathi asithathe Democratic Alliance kona wonke amaqembu khona ke wathi asithathe Democratic Alliance kona wonke amaqembu khona ke wathi ngivala lana kwasongera umuntu one-echo khona kwathi asiphathwe i-Democratic Alliance. Democratic Alliance ayimfuna kumkona umkhwanazi abantu abamhlophe bayifuna accountability from black people umuntu omnyama you can't handle a white skin accountable nanoma ikuphi umlungu ngisho ngamtshela i-procedure noma indlela ofuna kwenzakale ngakhona mhlambe la usukusebenza khona akayithathi leyo nto leyo serious and siyadingana sisonke but to be led by white skin is not a solution. This is our country and we won't surrender ngezwe lethu sonke sinje sibheda kunazo zonke izinto ezikhona but siyalithanda izwe lethu asifuni ikomishini siyisizwe ngoba izomosha imali nama state resource funds uhulumeni uSirili akathatha initiative ebhede ezojabulisa bonke abahlali bala eMzansi singama voters next year we are going to local government elections abantu bakithi abavote wise bengavoti ngemizwa yabo bayeka abantu bakithi ukuthanda ama individuals bayeka abantu bakuthanda abahlonishwa ngaphezulu kokuyithanda bona. Thank you.
Sibonge kumhlonishwa uSiyamyeza bakwethu ngifuthi challenge la uzosho okushoyo ungaqedi u2 minutes mawusukhuza isela langakini eliphethe uthi aliyeke kwemali yabakhokhi bentela alenze okright baba Myeza wesibili omdala
Ngibingelele Mbonvu ngibingelele yonke ipanel ngibingelele umzukwase ngombonvu engathi nina noMyeza nichemile nje nobabili nina nikhuluma 30 minutes 1 hour bese nithina sikhuluma 2 minutes ake ngiqale lapho oqala ngibuze nikwenzelani lokho
sikhawulise baba Myeza ufuna 30 minutes khuluma 30 minutes noma 1 hour
ngene ngizobreaka engazi ukuthi ngibhadele ukuthi ngimela lapho kuwena kufanele mawuthi 2 minutes ngihloniphe lokho bengi-underline nje ukuthi nina noMyeza umbomvu kufanele akavele lana ukuthi yena ukuliphi iqembu yena uMyeza
esewaboneka baba Myeza mhlawumbe ufana nami kodwa mhlawumbe akayikhulumele weMyeza omncane ukuliphi iqembu
mina nginasikhathi sokudlala mhlawumbe mhlaba ngiphi imali noma ilentozana amamitha ambalo ngiyoba nalo iqembu akunasikhathi sokudlala abantu kodwa ziyefana nje uhlezi usho nje uma uhlezi uzwa on my content lezi ngibhaxabula zonke into le the waste nje kuphela ukusebenzisa imali kahulumeni ngenhliziyo zomphakathi. Thank you.
Naba bethu iEFF nabo babhala lapha phansi
angisangazi iEFF wathi kade ngithuka kulezi insuku ngibatshela ngithi uJulius can support umkhwanazi as much as he can but the major problem umkhwanazi ahleze khala ngayo it is these foreign nationals angabangani baJulius Malema kade akayifuni xenophobic vote abahleze beyisho so ayisebenzeli yonke le nto leyo like uJulius told us ukuthi these illegal foreign nationals they will be our future employers. So mina njengoMyeza I can't allow ukuthi ngithuka ngiqashwe umuntu osuka la eMalawi noma eMozambique wawela ngesikebhe emanzini ofike nokuyikhwapha lana kade edla ufishi yonke into le angikwazi kwenza kade ngithuka iEFF ngithukela leyo nto le angisazi ukuthi ngiyona iphike futhi leyo EFF leyo angazi ukuthi kuthiwani
awuyona EFF
say
awuyona ANC
like Mbovu ngithi angisiyona EFF neither ANC no Inkatha Freedom Party or iDemocratic Alliance ngisebenzi lo nto leyo.
Siyabonga mzukwazi uyaphenduleka.
Ngiyaphendula ngizombamba nje ngoba wakithi angizuhlala kuyena kakhulu. Mhlawumbe umuntu mhlawumbe ulokhu edweba abanye olayini abangenasidingo wasibuza nje bengiphawula mhlawumbe Mbomvu mina sengizwile sengihlalile sengiqedile i-hour ngihlezi la ngilalele ngibuka iziyakhala ngoba zibuye ekhaya nakuthina thina-ke sopolitiki ngempela-ke abantu bakithi noma ngabhaxabula bathini sopolitiki angikusho lokho kodwa angifisi ukusho ukuthi mina ngenhlahla yami noma ngebhadi lami akukho mali engangingaphiwa yona ngokwesikhundla futhi akaze ngiphe umuntu imali ukuthi ngusopolitiki noma ngiyikhansela futhi angipraise mina okwami ukuhamba ngiyongqongqoza ngidonsa yonke iminyango kahulumeni ngidonsa wonke ama-private sectors bonke abantu abafisa ukudevelopha nokuthuthukisa indawo ngizothuthukisa yona uma ngihlulekile kodwa njengamanje Mbomvu into ecommon ukuthina sonke abantu be-South Africa noma ngabe kuthiwa ngowaliphi iqembu-ke njengamanje noma kuthiwa uvotela liphi ake sibuke lento kaGesi ukuthi uminister lo wa-electricity okhona o-introducwe 5 years ago una 6 years njengamanje ngoba besingenayo all along uminister kaGesi. Umbuzo wami uthi ilo wangena uminister iluphi ushintsho esesinalo eselukhona ngoba kwezinye indawo asekhona ama-load shedding asekhona ama-load reduction izinto zonke ziyakhuphuka ugesi ngendlela odula ngakhona Mbomvu udula ukuxaka abantu bakithi noma ngathi ugesi uyafaka mathi unawo ugesi kodwa ugesi uyadura nanokuthi yiphi system in place abangasichazela yona abangasitshela yona ukuthi yonke ezokwazi ukubhekana nayo le sikwazi nje ukuthi lento ngoba awukwazi ukuthenga ugesi abantu bakithi abahluphekile ogogo nomkhulu emakhaya nalabantu bakithi odadewethu nabafowethu abangasebenzi abasemakhaya uma umuntu ethenga ugesi ngo-50 rand kufana nokuthi uyadlala nje uzohlala 2 days 3 days ekugcineni bese abantu bakithi begcina sebewurobha ngenhloso yokuthi bayawufuna ukuwubuka bengathi mhlambe kuzofuna sihambe Mbomvu ngelinye ilanga ke sibuke izinto ezifana nalezo ke sibuke nje i-department ngayinye from national to the local level ukuthi abantu bakithi ibasiza ngani uma kusuka kuphi kugcina kuphi ngoba ekugcineni siyokhala njalo sithuthuka siyiboni ngathi ufakiwe le tender system esishoyo nalento ye-privatization ekhona uzokhumbula Mbomvu ukuthi ngeke ngaphawula la ngathi sinento eziningi esizikhiqizayo eNingizimu Afrika kodwa bese ziyaphuma ziye ngaphandle zi-exportwe bese ziyabuya la sezi-expensive sezizoda thina-ke manje ngento zethu sesibhadala imali eningi fisi-ke Mbomvu kodwa ukuthi ngeqe kakhulu ukuthi 2 minute wakho kodwa bengidweba nje umugqa uthi ake silande i-department ne-department ngayinye ku-national ize la ikizo-accounta nabo bonke abantu abasuke beyiphethe yazi-ke mhlawumbe ukuthi abanye bazolokhu becashacasha ngendlela abangacasha ngayo no-authority authorization yonke into no-resolution kodwa ekugcineni wonke umuntu ufunezela azophawula. Ngiyabonga Mbomvu.
Mzukwazi sibonge kakhulu tata uluxolo kuthiwa kufanele sifumane abantu bombani kwenzeka ntoni e-Eastern Cape tata mkhulu?
Hayi apha bawumbomvu e-Eastern Cape kufitho likhala yodwa ayingomasela zinkunzi cha ke banelaki ngento enye bakhokhela abantu abathanda bona ukodlula iziqu zabo abantu bakuthi andiyazi noba mhlawumbe iyawuba kanti ndiyabathuka bawumbomvu kodwa ndizayithetha inyani ethi ingqondo zabo andizazi bazicinga njani kodwa ke ubuya iqaphela silolona phondo mos lika-cutting edge kodwa singabo bantu baqhubekeka benika urhulumente omnye nombutho omnye olawulayo ithuba ukuba makaphathe aqhubeleke. Yabona ngoku kuyi-disaster ngoku nawuzathi bekho le disaster ikhoyo apha eKSD ko-R Tambo yonke awusikaboni umehluko thina. Cha into esiyibonayo cha kuya kuba nzima cha phezu kobunzima besinabo. Andifuni uba umbomvu uyiphazamisa lento ndisezoyithetha lento cha umyazi uphumile ubhuti lo umncinci kunotata lo. Utshaba lo muntu omnyama okwalomzuzu ba umbomvu thina abantu batsha silubona ngumuntu omnyama asikaliboni ngumlungu. Ii-politicians ezikhoyo zingabantu abamnyama, the majority yazo. The majority abantu abaku-National Assembly ngabantu abamnyama. Bayi-minority abantu abamhlophe njengesiqhelo. Kodwa kunzima uba kuthathwe izigqibo ezizawudivelopha thina singabantu abamnyama. Into abayaziyo inye qha kunika iitshomi zabo nabantwana babo nokuqinisekisa uba qha thina sebenzi. Loo nto ingathi ithandwa sithi izawunceda thina ayisebenzeli. Umzekelo le kaGeneral Mkhwanazi biseyithethile phaa wayitshila uJulius wathi inkunzi yomkhwetha nondodana lo umncinci unondoda lo kuthiwa ngupresident we-Youth League babe sebethethile phaa bethetha ukusa ibe ngathi umntu uthetha kwakhe egadini. Kodwa kuyabonakala uba uCyril emveni bethethile noba ubaxelele uba ngeneno kwabo. Thina apha e-Eastern Cape umbomvu sicela siyithethe into edibenise noGeneral Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi siyayisapota kakhulu. Yanga uYehova ngasinceda into masiyicacise inye. Othe wathatha uyandiva ba umbomvu
mamela wena mlungu
othe ngamehlo abomvu.
hayi badilishana nawe ke
upresident simlinde ngamehlo abomvu.
hayi badilishana nawe
upresident simlinde ngamehlo abomvu ba umbomvu bamakathethe and sinethemba elikhulu ba umbomvu upresident uzawuthi nxa ithethayo athethe into efavor thina. Zonke ezi zingamasela inkunzela ezi funeke zigcothiwe zibanjiwe nazo mazike ziyoqamela phaa ngogqiba ingqondo make bayejele.
hayi
asifuni nobe si
hayi uyabethakala umkhulu ubethakele wazophuma mhleze ubani umhleze jaha hey madoda swazi
Sanibonani.
uyaphila
Siyaphila ninjani?
uNkulunkulu inkosi
Siyabonga. I'm so sorry. I'm not very good ngesizulu ne. I'm Swazi. But
bathina abaswati ya khuluma iswati khuluma
ngizokhuluma iSwati, ngikhuluma isiZulu, ngikhulume nesilungu ne. So I'm a pub owner in Soweto. Gauteng, it's one of the biggest pubs, lingana no disofeng and all that. And I think the most important thing ekumele sibheke education yabantu. Sihambile indlela yabo kansela ababolile. We went and siya reporta kuma chief whip. So I think education is important about ama steps ekumele siwathathe ngoba akusizi ukukhuluma nje kuphela. I think we need to take action. Uma reporter, things start to happen. Manje, industrial area le enguyo has been given a forum from the city of Johannesburg to try and resolve our issues as begane now. So I think it's important that people know there's a chief whip in each and every municipality that you write to umbonisi proof yokuthi councillor is not working, councillor is doing X, Y, and Z. But I want to know this group because I follow izinto ze governance and all of that. I'm very active. I've been on the news and so on and so forth in my context of media and all. I want to know is it just for KZN? Because I enjoy it, but also I need ngifuna ukuthi abantu bayijoyine. So ngifuna ukutshela nalabanye abamabhizinisi ngapha Johannesburg ukuthi abajoyine le group. Is it just for KZN, or are we all included?
Clean Governance is a national footprint organization. We've got more members there in Soweto than you think. We've got your MMC for housing. Mlungi Simabaso was on our live about 2 days ago. He's from City of Johannesburg. So we've got more members that side. But we've got members in KZN. Lo Gribak Pumango, who is based in Eastern Cape. We've got members in Limpopo, Pumalanga, Bukoni, Bupirima. We've got members Northern Cape, Kakamas. We've got members in Western Cape. We've got members throughout South Africa and abroad.
Please, I think it's very important. Nabantu bafana nabo Miyeza and all of that. Can we just come together, perhaps create a WhatsApp group, so that we can share our contacts, because Nama media houses, they are looking for such stories. It's important, it works. I didn't have electricity for 5 years, but I fought ukuthi umhlakahlo uzube khona ngilwa ngemedia ngagcina sengingisa no councillor to be reported, even though City of Johannesburg is not part of the ESCOM. She was supposed to help us and all of that, and there were many other issues. There are still a lot of issues, but I think it's time for action. So if there's a WhatsApp group or whatever, just let us know. Let's join. Let's move. Let's try and make this country clean, right. But I want to stress that. Let us take action. And as advisor, I can send some of the emails that I sent to certain parties that got me some results. I've got a national contact here, say ESCOM, that makes things happen. Guys, let's start to take action, real action now. Not just talking, marches and all of that. Let us make it like, this is the contact, this is the email address, this is the telephone number. This is the person we media house. Let's do that. Please, I'm open to any WhatsApp. I'm going to leave my phone number here. Guys. Yes, but I'm going to leave a telephone number here for you guys. WhatsApp. And yeah, let's work, guys. Thank you.
No problem. Drop us your contact details. Jans, is Jans still here? Ustatela information, but if not, no problem. We'll collect your numbers or send a little DM. It's okay. In any way, we will make sure that we keep them and see another WhatsApp group. Also, advise with see Okay, there is the number 08247 number. Thank you so much. Ngicabanga ukuthi ithathele baba Miyeza thandeni inamba kaSiswazi siyabonga. Mhleze cha akakabuyi. Mahlale ngazi mahlale enzani? Mahlale enzani?
Lepophile sanibonani baba uMbomvu nethimba lonke.
Oy, siyaphila uyaphila wena.
Hayi, singaneno baba uMbomvu. Angazi noma ngizokala kahle yini kunomsindonyana la ngikhona.
Ngizokala kahle kakhulu. Nezinakho ni clear.
Ngiyabonga baba. Uncane nje ngifuna ukubuza mina baba uMbomvu, kodwa kubalulekile kukuncane kunjalo ukuthi njengezakhamuzi zaseMzantsi Afrika ayikho yini indlela esingaba nayo ukuthi iqokele nje umuntu ongekho kwezepolitiki noma kulamaqembu ezepolitiki akhona simqoke ngokumethemba sithi akasiphathele izwe. Lokho ngikushiso ngani? Ngikushiso yini baba uMbomvu? Ngizokwenza isibonelo ngobaba uMsweli nje oyiqoqela o10 ngebhakede. Kodwa mningi kakhulu imisebenzi aseyenzile siyibuka ngamehlo kilo lonke izwe laseMzantsi Afrika. Kodwa manje bese siba nohulumeni wethu ositax imali ezinkulu inyanga nenyanga. Kodwa nje indlela imali etshotshwa ngayo bafowethu iyamangalisa. Umbuzo wami sekutheni mhlawumbe ayikho indlela esingenza ngayo njengezakhamuzi, ngoba kubuka sengathi osopolitiki bonke bafana ngathi bazalo mama oyedwa. Mabe sashela bakhuluma ukuphila kodwa mase behlele ezihlalweni benza ukubola kodwa. Umbuzo wami bulapho baba uMbomvu, ngiyabonga ithuba.
Ukunika nje impendulo ungakehli 2029 national government elections sinalo ilungelo lokuqoka i-independent candidate sivotele yena for president. eSouth Africa umongameli simkhipha through i-vote sifake omunye. Sesingabheka ukuthi contest ama-elections for leyo candidate ka-president kuba yimalini mhlambe-ke sesingayithatha lapho. Okay, kuyenzeka. Ngiyabonga.
Mbovu uyaphila. Hayi angibonge Nzombane. Ngise-Kranskop, umasipala wami umvoti, i-district yami umzinyathi. Yebo. Hayi akuthathwa amasayidi ke la Mbovu. Kunento engangiphethe kahle emfowethu. Ngila eKranskop. Umfowethu yes. Umfowethu ube sengozini ngomgqibelo. Eshayiswa u-ex-mayor uMthandeni Ngubane eKranskop.
Umthandeni ubaba uPetros Ngubane.
Yebo. Wadlula imoto ngokungafanelekile washayisa itekisi. Umfowethu critical usastenga i-condition yakhe critical kahle kahle. Angithaze lokho. Estenga hayi odokotela bakhona asiqale phezulu. I-executive yakhona yamaphara. Odokotela bakhona bamaphara. Uyaphansi kumanesi bamaphara. La kugadwe khona angingasho ukuthi kula kugadwe khona ama security awenza umsebenzi ngendlela. Masingena kumfowethu ithambo lapha yana amathambo lapha eqakeleni avavekile. Abakazi nanamanje ukuthi kumele bafake insimbi noma benzeni bathi abanawo ama-facilities ama-facilities.
Okay, so ukulungisela indaba yakho njengamanje sizothinta umuntu obizwa ngo-ombudsman waka-health. So then we fail kodwa sobe sesixhumanisile naye sithole umphathi waleso sibhedlela sithole umphathi waka-health province sizama ukuyilungisa sidlulisele nakwabanye bepolitiki. Ya
ngicela uqhubeke.
Hayi sifuna ukuthola isolution kodwa sesizwele ubuhlungu. Ya
yes ya ubuhlungu sesibutholile sesibuzwile ukuthi kwenzakalani lapha eStenga. Kumele kube no sister osewadini ogade iwadi. Akukho lokho ngizokuvezela noma ngikusendele. Akho umuntu okhona lapho mangabe kuthiwa kwenzeka noma yini esigulini usister mhlawumbe aresponde noma abize udokotela. Akukho lokho. Kuyinto eyakhiwe wayakha uhulumeni sekufakwe nanembhede kwafakwa yonke into ongayazi. Mawufika laphayana njoba ngithi amaphara bengizama ukuchaza bavele bakuhlasele nje uthi uyakhuluma ukuthi why ubani engeziwe ini kanje bazokutshela ukusutha kwabo. Hey yabona iStenga ngihlukumezekile Mbovu kakhulu. Kodwa leyo nto isuka kuphi? Akazange aphendule noma yazi u-ex-mayor uyabazi abantu abenza kalabo lapha kwenzeka ingozi ngomgqibelo kodwa akazile kubona. Wavela wacasha ukuthi wacasha emobeni noma wenze njani walandwa zikhulu zenkatha imoto yashona ngale akangabonakala wokuyena wakhoza ingozi we-ex-mayor njengoba ngitshela nje washayisa ikhumbi driver umfana wakaHlobo.
Hayi. Sizwe kahle bhuti.
Manje ngicela ukubuza ukuthi yini ngasho ukuthi u-ex mayor ube sengozini kufihliwe lokho.
Sizombuza nje naye manje. Sizombuza nawe sokucela usi-DM ubalo Shweshwezayo manje uvula imic.
Ngicabanga ukuthi angazi lapha kwipanel yakho mhlawumbe akubukusisa.
Yeah. Ngizocela ukuthi simbuze silo samabandla. Cela uvale imic bhuti. Ungadini.
Awangakithi usilo futhi emsinga.